Look how good that looks, you guys. So I found this mixture of fertilizer to work extremely well. I think the results speak for themselves. Welcome back to another iteration of this lawn care series. If you missed the last video, I did my early spring lawn care steps that make my lawn come out of dormancy from the winter super fast and greens up super well. About 15 days since we put down the spring fertilizer. Anyway, I'll leave a link for that video down in the description so you guys can check that out. Now we're to the late spring and it's time for the next round of fertilizer. Now, I don't do anything fancy. It's been about 8 weeks since the last video took place. The lawn has just kind of been left alone. I mow it and trim it and what have you, but that's about it. So today we're putting down the next round of fertilizer, and I want to show you what I do for that and show you the results. I just mowed this yesterday and you can see it's still looking pretty darn good, but definitely time for another feeding. Today we're using 2 kinds of fertilizer because I found no perfect product. I found that mixing 2 products together gives me the most impressive results and gives me the most bang for the buck. So what I've done is I've mixed 1/3 Scott's Turf Builder with 2/3 of the Anderson's PGF Complete right here with the Humic DG. So 2/3 that, 1/3 that. This seems to work out really well. Now, none of these companies, endorse or recommend mixing the 2 products together, but I found it to work extremely well. I just dump them into this trash container. Let me show you a quick trick to mix this up. Get a power drill and an auger like this. I'll have a link for it down in the description, but check this out. It makes mixing these 2 kinds of fertilizers super easy. What we do is set the spreader setting to what the Anderson's product recommends for a light application, and that works out great because the prills are pretty much identical in size with each other. The Scott's stuff I think is just a tiny bit smaller, so we want to go with the largest prill size setting, which is the Anderson's product, and that's worked really well for me. The spreader we're using today is this Earthway. I love this because it kind of funnels the product down and makes it very easy to get all of the product dispersed. You don't have a bunch of stuff left over in the bottom that you have to try to get out at the end. So I quite love that. So I'll leave a link for this down below, as well as the fertilizers that I used today, so you can easily find them yourselves. So with that introduction, let's get to spreading. All right, there we have it. For me, it's going to be about 2 weeks here. For you, it'll just be a matter of a quick cut. And here are the results. Look how good that looks, you guys. Just mowed it as well, and you can see just how deep and green and lush it looks. So I found this mixture of fertilizer to work extremely well. I think the results speak for themselves. Guys, be sure you're subscribed because we've got more content like this coming up. I'm gonna keep bringing you along this whole year as I care for the lawn and show you all the tips and tricks to making it look absolutely incredible. And please don't forget to give us the like and comment down below. I want to hear your thoughts and ideas on how to successfully grow and maintain a lawn. Anyway, I appreciate all of your efforts with liking and subscribing and commenting. Those are quick, easy, free ways that you can help bolster the channel, and it gives me the motivation and encouragement that I need to continue producing this content and just putting it on YouTube where it's free for you to watch and enjoy. We'll catch you next time.